Welcome to our YouTube channel.
Trick number 1. Trick 1 is how to climb Pochiniki rooftops. Method 1. You can see pink buildings in Pochiniki. First thing is we go to top. Then carefully jump to next building. From here you can go to any building's rooftop. Method 2. You can see lot of building like this. First thing is go to top floor. Then open the door. Then jump on the bar. Make your position like this. Then climb on door, then to rooftops. From here you can see whole Pochiniki. Trick number 2. You can see many wooden building in Pochiniki. Park your car near this building like this. You can also enter and drive the car from inside a building. Trick number 3. You can see this like of construction in many place of Arangal. Jump like this. Then climb to top. If you have good sniper, you will get lot of kills. Hiding places. Number 1. First thing is go to top floor. Jump from this window. Walk like this. If you hide here, no one can find you. Number 2. In Navorkmo, you can see many tower. First thing is climb on top. Carefully jump to that building like this. From this place you can see everyone but none can see you. Number 3. In military base you can see 3 buildings. Here is a bar in this building. Jump on the bar carefully. If someone come to kill you, you can come here and hide.
I hope you like this video. For more videos subscribe to our channel on web.